Marcus here for philos.com. We just came out of Kmart and bought this magnetic phone holder, car vent holder with a ring stand. Okay. Yeah, we just arrived from Kmart and we're gonna open this car air vent magnetic holder with ring stand. Okay, the back looks like this and the front looks like this. Okay, so we're gonna open it. So there's different kinds of holders made by Anko, which is the generic brand of Kmart, and you know, they have a good fair price. So we're opening. It's tightly sealed. So one thing I've noticed about this is one of, so they have three kinds of I've tried three of their products, or actually I mean two of their products. The first one is the car air vent magnetic holder. The problem with that is they have a shorter, I'll call this a nose that connects it to the vent. They have a shorter nose, and the thing that happened is I liked it. It's magnetic, connected to the phone. There's a magnetic metal strip, and the only thing I don't like about it is the nose is short and it broke easily. Not broke easily, but it broke. So it's like 3/4 size of this one. The price of that was $6. This is $8 Australian dollars. And there's another cheaper one, which is the car air vent phone holder, which has it stretches out, and it has like a rubber sides to grip it. The problem with that is the rubber, it's either it gets out or strips out, or it doesn't grip anymore. So I tried a couple of car air vent phone holders with those kind of that grips, even the expensive one from Super Cheap Auto, but the problem is the rubber comes out. So this one is easy to use because you just it's a magnetic one. I don't actually need the ring here. I just only need something to hold the phone to hold on to when it's connected to the car. So it has a ball. It's like, well, tightly secured. Hopefully it doesn't loosen up. But the thing I like about this is the long nose, which with the magnetic holder of the same brand is shorter and broke easily. Not broke easily, but broke. So it has okay. So this is the item. It's feels heavy duty actually. We could weigh it, and it has a magnetic connector, which we could. It has a tape at the back connected to the mobile phone, and it can stick to this. Or you could also use. There's two sizes. Okay. And there's also the ring holder. This one connects to the phone, and you could hold the phone with that. It's like an extra accessory. Okay, actually I don't need this. I'm just gonna use my old magnetic connector to use with this one. This is all I need. So of the three, this is the most expensive one, which is $8. The other one was $6, and the cheaper one with the rubber grip is $4. So we'll try to use this in the car. We'll drive now because I have an appointment with somebody at a meeting, and let's see. Okay, now we're in the car, and now we're gonna try to replace my existing phone holder with the new Kmart brand. My existing phone holder is an SCA brand,
by Super Cheap Auto. I think it's around $12. It has a long grip, which I like. Connects well to the grips well with the vent. The ball joint is quite firm and good build quality. The only thing I don't like is the two contact grips here and here. Lots its contact, and now I have to put blue tack so that it holds the phone well. The only thing I don't like with the blue tack is it's messy, it's sticky when you hold the phone. Okay, now we're gonna replace it with the Mart brand. I'm gonna get it, this one. Okay, take out the magnetic connectors. This one's the one you connect to the phones, two sizes, and a ring holder style. Now, grips well. It's nice, and we will try it. The only thing we have to watch out is this. It can cause scratches in the air vents, so it's better if there's like a rubber protector, and you have to connect it gently. Okay, so we will try it now. How stable the phone holder would be when we drive. We'll try to record while driving. Okay.